All right, Sondors, got my step through refurbished, all charged up, ready to go for its inaugural ride. Let's see how she does. The thing is really fast. So I made it downtown Minneapolis. It's flashing at me. It's a heavy bike pedal with no power assist. Well, that was kind of a bummer. Sondors, you can do better than that. All right, this is my Sondors Step Through. I got last winter. Just finally got a chance to put it together. This was a refreshed version, and I have it all charged up, as you can see. So we're going to check out the power and how long the battery lasts. So this one was pre-owned. Unfortunately, this one is pretty beat up. A lot of scratches here. This is all torn up. So the body's been through some rough patches. The controller here is chipped a little bit, but we're going to give it a ride. I'm excited. I've heard good things about Sondors. Comes easy to put together. All you have to do is put this little clamp, and that is really solid. I'm excited about the folding aspects in the fat tire and the pedal assist. To get going, I'm going to put it on 5 just to see how long the battery lasts and see how far I can go on one charge. So, right, let's do it. So I'm just gonna bike from my house. There's a nice little hill here and then a trail called the LRT that's super fun. We're gonna take that and see how far it'll go. Let's see, we have 12.2 miles on it. Previous owner did that. At 5, it really helps you out. It kicks in pretty good. So just as you know, that's a lot of assists. I might back it up a little bit. It really moves. Here's our hill. Let's see how it does on the hill. Well, this is pretty pleasant. Going up this big hill, you don't have to really work very much. So now we're on the LRT, which is an old railroad bed. It's super flat, so it's pretty easy to get this thing up to pretty high speed without a lot of work. All right, so I have gone 2.3 miles. I am down 1 bar. Of course, we don't know what that means. I'm gonna try to take this all the way down to 0 so we can see the range of the bike. So one of the cool aspects of this bike is the throttle. So you take this throttle, you don't, first of all, have to pedal. Not pedaling is hard with it anyways. You're at a complete stop and you need help getting started. Just hit the throttle a little bit for the first couple pedals and it'll get you going. It's pretty slick. So this is the Cedar Lake Trail. It goes all the way downtown Minneapolis. It's a great way to commute down there. That's where you work. Okay, so as you can see, we have gone 7.8 miles and we've lost another bar on our battery status. So we're just a little bit over half. Once I get down to 2, I'll turn around and head back. So I made it downtown Minneapolis from Eden Prairie in, I don't know, 25 minutes. It's pretty slick. The thing is really fast. Still has over half the battery. So we're gonna turn around and head back, assuming that I'll make it there, and we'll try to run it all the way to 0. Okay, we're still downtown and our bars have gone down to 2. So we've gone 13.2 miles. So we should be able to get back with no problem. And this is hard use. This is 5s and 4s almost all the way. So unfortunately, I'm still downtown. I'm now down to 1 bar. We've gone 15 miles, 14.8 miles. So we'll see if I make it home. Right, it's flashing at me. 21.2 miles. Battery is dying here. I am not home. So I don't know if it's assisting anymore. I think this is all me now. It's a heavy bike pedal with no power assist. Luckily I'm on level ground. If I was going uphill, I'd be dying. I'm dying as it is. Well, that was kind of a bummer. Bike made 21.2 miles or whatever. Now I was driving it hard. 3s and 5s on the way out, but really 2s and 3s on the way back, trying to get home without a dying like I did in Hopkins, Minnesota. I had to pedal the rest of the way back. He said it's a heavy bike to pedal and there's no assist. So I thought the power and the acceleration were great. I love the throttle, but the range has got to improve. Sondors, you can do better than that. That's not good. If I can't take kind of a normal 20-mile ride without a dying on me, I could extend it, of course, with less usage, and I think that's a fair argument. Maybe get it to 25, 26, but I'm a sturdy guy. If you're a smaller person, it'll go farther. There's no doubt. But for me, that is not enough, and the fact that it's kind of all trashed up is kind of a bummer. So, anyways, have a good day. Ride safely.